it is quite a hefty bill. Okay, hey guys, I'm Neil Palambra and this is my Drift C200. So speaking about the car, this is a Mercedes-Benz C200 compressor and it is a petrol manual. Now, if you see in the market, petrol manuals are not easy to find. I mean, I myself took time to find a petrol manual. So I picked up this car in the second week of November and it's currently the second week of December. So just a month ago, the car was only 30,000 kilometers driven. I picked it up from Bangalore and got it to Mumbai. Like 1 week after reaching Mumbai, I sent it back into the workshop, got a few upgrades done. You're welding the differential. So welding the differential is critical. Without that, you're not really drifting. You're just trying hard. We got a supercharger pulley, we got some PU bushings done, and I also deleted the AC because I didn't know that the AC wasn't working, and I made the purchase without even driving the car once. Like we finalized all the payments without driving the car even once, and yeah, other than the AC, the car was perfect. So since the AC wasn't there, I didn't mind because I was anyways going to delete the AC, shedding weight. The moment I saw the car online listed, I didn't waste a single minute. I couldn't believe it at first that it was a petrol manual C200 because it was like a screenshot photo. So I couldn't really believe if the car was real or no. But then I texted the guy, followed up, spoke, and we did a video call. Saw the condition of the car. It was in perfect condition, like except the AC issue. It was in perfect condition. Finalized everything, put the token down, etc., etc. Got the car, and the moment we reached Mumbai, we got it screwed. So the journey to Mumbai was amazing. My dad and me enjoyed the drive. Like the car drives so well, so well. I mean, it's unbelievable. Got it ready for an event called the Valley Run. Many of the car people in India will know the Valley Run. Don't get me wrong, Valley Run was a lot of fun. Here are a few clips of me drifting the car. That's the first time I'm drifting. Yeah, it was quite fun, but there was a certain mishap that kind of messed with my head. The car got into an accident. Unfortunately, I don't have a video on that. I tried looking for it. I asked some people also, no one had anything. So I was doing like a cool down around the edge of the arena, the drift arena, and there were two guys. They were doing a tandem, and the second guy actually his rear end completely hit my right fender, front right fender. Now aesthetically I don't give a shit, like if the I was ready for any aesthetic damage, but it was the mechanical part. It was a critical component. After the car wasn't turning, it was just going straight, so the lower arm got a little screwed, so I couldn't even turn the car. It was just going straight. Psyched with me because I wasn't really drifting and I was just taking a cool down lap and it happened. Of course, to be honest, there wasn't much of organization, there wasn't a briefing, or I don't want to complain, but then it wasn't really my fault. I was literally doing a cool down lap. I was at the edge. There was nowhere else I could have gone. There was a barrel in front of me, so I couldn't even go straight. So I was waiting for them to finish so that I could cut the barrel. Retrospectively, think about it. There were a lot of factors involved, but no complaints. Got screwed. Aesthetically, not a problem. Mechanically, big problem. So we had to sort the lower arms. Let's leave it at that. And the next day, I was out there drifting again and really enjoyed it. But towards the end of the night, so it wasn't just me drifting, it's me and my sister, my cousin sister. She was also enjoying the car. I was really happy watching her drift and her with the smile on her face enjoying the car. But unfortunately, I'm calling you out, she burnt the clutch. She was riding the clutch too long, and it's not her fault. She's a new driver and she's already drifting, so because the car still runs. I'm driving it around the city and it still runs, so the clutch is fine. Drifting was I don't know when I got into drifting. I don't know when I realized what is drifting, but there is something about going sideways that makes me more happy than going straight on a, going fast on a straight. Well, I think I started off with Adam LZ. I remember when he had his BMWs when I started watching him, and after it was Adam LZ and Daily Driven Exotics. So I think that is when it hit me that drifting is like something that I really like. That was around like 6-7 years ago, man. I've been watching these guys for years since I was a kid. Then thought about it, discussed it a couple of times, made the decision, took up the sport. I went into this event with zero knowledge about drifting, like zero practical knowledge about drifting. I had an idea, so I was able to pick on quicker. But for all those who are starting out there and who want to drift, like there's a lot of things available for us to do now. Like who would have imagined that in India drifting would become a thing? Because all we have are front wheel drive cars. So whoever found the C200 and realized, oh, let's just start drifting this, and then started things around it. For those who are interested in learning, there are a lot of schools out there. I would really like to suggest one. If you are in Mumbai, and I think they're gonna go across India as well, Driftgasm. So if at all you think about drifting and you want to drift, or before you even get your own first drift car, I would really suggest that you go learn before you make the investment. Now, I was a stupid fellow. I mean, not stupid. I mean, now I would suggest that you first go learn before you get a drift car. I mean, if you get one C200, petrol manual, preferably, I would suggest you go to a drift school, you learn there, see if you can, enjoy it or no, and then ask about, what are the costs involved, how do you run such things, how much do you have to keep in mind. I went all in. It is quite a hefty bill. Drifting, it's amazing. It's a fun sport. I look forward to recording my journey, not just in drifting, like in anything related to cars, lifestyle, etc., etc. And I hope to, create more content for YouTube. And I have looked up to these YouTubers who've done such a commendable job. They've done so well. Kind of motivated me into realizing that okay, let me also give it a shot. It shoots, it shoots. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But everything's worth a try. This was a big leap, so this is going to be another leap. I have uploaded a few videos on this channel. I think an off-roading one and the Nissan Primera one. These cars are there, they're in the works. I'm not sure what is the progress on them as of yet, but currently my focus is here, and there's another one behind, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. And I really love cars and I really love this, so yeah, follow me on this journey.